friends, welcome to Maxwell GMC channel. Welcome to Maxwell GMC channel. Today you are learning how to draw the graph of the quadratic equation. In the graph of the quadratic equation, the given equation is x square minus 9 equal to 0. We have to take the equation as let y equal to x square minus 9 in terms of y. We have to take the various values for x. Let the values of x are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And the terms of the equation we will write like this: x square minus 9. And then we will add them and we will find the value of y. So the square of minus 4 is 16, square of minus 3 is 9, square of minus 2 is 4, square of minus 1 is 1, square of 0 is 0, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, and minus 9 we have to add with all the terms, so it is minus 9 with all the terms. Finally we will find the value for y. It is x square minus 9. So value of x square minus 9 we will do. X square is 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. 0 minus 9 is minus 9. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Bigger number sign. One is positive, other is negative. We have to subtract and put the bigger number sign. So 4 minus 9, the difference is 5 and bigger number is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 16 minus 9 is 7 again. So we have to now plot the points to be plotted. We have to write the value of x and y, x comma y. The points to be plotted are minus 4 comma 7, minus 3 comma 0, minus 2 in x and minus 5 in y. So minus 2 comma minus 5, minus 1 comma minus 8, 0 comma minus 9, 1 comma minus 8, minus 2 comma minus 5, 3 comma 0, and 4 comma 7. Finally we have to write. Now we have to draw the graph of the given equation so that we can find the point of intersection with the x-axis, and then we have to write the values of the roots of this given equation by seeing the point of intersection with the x-axis, and the solution set we have to write. Now we have to draw the graph. In the graph sheet we have the horizontal line as x-axis and vertical line as y-axis. Here put the arrow mark properly. Write capital X. Here arrow mark capital Y. Arrow mark capital X dash. Arrow mark and capital Y dash for the y-axis. We have to decide the scale for the x-axis and y-axis. Here in the x-axis we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter is taken as 2 units. We have to write 2 unit like this in the scale, and the line drawn is exactly on the dark line which we have in the graph paper. And then we have to write it properly, positive values in the right of the 0 and above of the x-axis, and below it is negative value, and to the left it is negative value in the x-axis. The first point to be plotted is minus 4, 7. Minus 4 and 7 is here. We have minus 4, the 7 is in between 6 and 8. Put the point and draw a small circle around it. Minus 3, 0 is on the x-axis when y equal to 0. Minus 2 and minus 5. Minus 2, minus 5 is in between minus 4 and minus 6. Put the point and draw the circle around it. Small circle. Minus 1, minus 8. Minus 1, minus 8 is here. 0, minus 9. 0 and 9. Minus 9 is between minus 8 and minus 10. 1, minus 8. 1, minus 8 is here. Put the point and draw the circle, small circle around it. 2, minus 5. 2 is here, and minus 5 is in between minus 4 and minus 6. Put the point and draw the circle around it. 3, 0. 3, 0 on x-axis because y equals to 0. And 4, 7. 4, 7 is here. 4 is, and the 7 is in between 8 and 6 and 8. So put the point and draw the small circle. We can see that we obtained the points in the parabolic form. Now each and every point is to be joined without using the scale. Free hand we have to join. So you can see it clearly. You will get the parabolic shape. Like this we have to join, get the parabolic curve of x square minus 9 equal to 0. Now we have to see the point of intersection with the x-axis are minus 3, 0. Minus 3, 0. 0 is already we can see, and 3, 0. The quadratic equation has minus 3 and 3 as the roots, and the solution set is minus 3, 3. That's it in this type of problem. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel.